All right.
Kingdom.
What is this?
Triangle.
Another triangle. Now this triangle is a special kind of triangle. It's called a
West.
right triangle. And this actually triangle comes up a lot in trigonometry, so we're going to revisit this a lot. Right triangles are super important, but for now, here's something you need to know about a right triangle. Usually we make the angles look like this, right here. Angle and angle, okay? Now, for this angle right here, this is a special angle. We call that a perpendicular. You know, if this were a line like this and this were a line like this, those lines would be perpendicular. Or, what's really important is that they come and meet at 90 degrees. So when we mark out the angle, we put a little box on the end. This is to show that this angle is a very special angle called a right angle, or a 90-degree angle. Does that make sense? It's exactly half of 180. 180 divided by 2 is 90, and so here's the 180, and so halfway there is 90. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good. If I know that this angle is 90, what do I know about this angle and this angle?
They have to be at least 40 and 80. They have to add up to 180.
Well, all of them have to add up to 180. But, here, maybe I'll make this a little bit easier. If I fold this over here, like that,
Yep.
and I fold this down here like that,
Oh.
these two angles add up to be what?
A box.
Well, I know, but these two angles in here add up to be what?
Right angle.
90 degrees.
So what did the brush do?
So, if this is 90 degrees, I know that if this is a right triangle, I know that this is 90 degrees. If I add these two up over here,
That'll
what does
be
that mean?
90.
That would be 90, because 90 plus 90 is
180.
180. That's the point. All of these angles have to add up to 180. So if you're dealing with right triangles, you know that one of those angles is already 90. And if one of those angles is 90, if you add up the other two, they should add up to be...
180.
Nope. If you add up the other two, just add them together. They should be 90, because when you add it to this side, it makes 180 total. Does that make sense?
Yep.
All right. We can do another one. Here. Say that I have a right triangle. And I told you that this is 57 degrees. And this is, I told you that this is a right triangle. So this angle right here has to be my 90. All it is it's the same triangle, I just turned it down a little bit. You're used to seeing the 90-degree triangle like this or something like that. Or like this, right?
Yep.
But this is just the same thing, just kind of turned like that. Cool? What is this angle?
That one is 33.
How'd you figure that out so quick?
Because I minus 100. Oh wait. I just added
early learning experience.
33 because that adds up to 90.
Good. 33. Maybe the slower way of doing it is you say, all right, well, I know that this is 90 degrees, so these two have to add to be 90 as well. So 90 minus 57, as you said, 93.
Animal main game.
Cool?
Zoo animal wheel.
Yeah.